Okay, now that's part 3 for the debug running that code. Last time I finished this code, I just realized I didn't start the score recording, so I just started it. And I copied the code and run on the Leetcode first time. I got the wrong result for the first test case because I don't have the sorting output of the pairs of value, and the original quiz request a list of pairs in ascending order with respect to pair. Okay. It seems the best way will be to do sort. The non-sort will become more complicated. Let me see if I could improve that. That's not easy, right? Okay. That takes a long time. I definitely could do that. But the better way will be do here. But that's taking time. Okay, let me do some modification to see how I could do that. Okay. So since they need ascending one, so I will do this. I will do the temp swap. Okay, I will do swap function for okay, that's the swap. Let me see. Yep, that's the swap. And we are going to do this if we could copy that one, right? No, we cannot. If the array if yes, we do this time. Swap return 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 the two items in the first array, and after that I'm thinking I could do this. Swap Not doing very good. Okay, let me see. We do this. If okay, so if the I greater than that, we put J ahead and I behind. Else we do this. We don't need a swap right here. Okay, that's the one. And similar, we do the same things right here. Let me do, and we do sorting. Right here, I'm going to do sorting output array here. Let me see. So I need also another loop for the index here. And index equals return size minus 1. Yeah, we could do that here. 55 to 63, replace return size minus 1 in place by index. Okay, for the index while return index greater than 0 and index return index zero less than return index minus 1 0. We will do swap right here, and for the swap For the swap, this time we will get the let me see. That will be the double. That will be the double pointer for that. Okay, so we just swap return. So we don't need that one. We don't need that one. Okay. Yeah, I just implement the ascending output array, and let me run that here to see what's different. Okay, going to run the first test case. Okay, that looks good. And submit. Oh, that's really slow approach. So as the failed test case, that's because that's a long, really huge array as an input. Let me see how many test cases I passed and failed. Okay, it's almost done. So that's because I do the while here for the each for the each insert, push the pair of values, but somehow I might be cleaning it up in the middle, so that's waste the time. So, and based on the test result, the time limited exceeded. That means my solution algorithm is too slow to pass the speed limit. Restriction. I'm going to move that one, move that sorting output array out of the final part. So let me do that in the Vim. Okay, again. So like I said, I don't do that one here. I have the index. Yeah, I don't need the index here, but anyway, let me move that one again. So that would be 65 line to 69 line, and okay, after that, I'm going to for I equals 0. Yes. How I could sorting. So I do the sorting. That's that's basically the sorting one to sort the first. I mean the first array of the pair the first value of the pair, but I probably need a additional data structure for that. That's not that easy. Let me think. So, uh, yeah, probably I'm thinking so in the further so there I do have a few different approaches to get the pair of the output sorting. Anyway, so I could get the sorting. I mean for the first value of the pair, and after that I also need to check that one by one. Other than that, I'm thinking is that bubble sorting maybe works for that. I could sorting with the address itself. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see what kind of sorting is better for that. Combine the bubble sort. Let me see bubble sort. Bubble sort. I'm thinking how I do bubble sort on that pair of the array. That bubble sort is suitable for the address swap. Okay, but the bubble sort will be the big N square for the worst time complexity. Yeah, that will be simple for that. Okay, I could do bubble sort based on the logic right here. Yeah, let me see. Let me try to do that here. Bubble sort the output array and compare the first item of each pair and then swipe the address only. And I less than return size I plus. Okay, that's the one. Yeah. And for j equals, let me see, so I and I plus. Oh, we need if. Okay, let me do this. We need a bubble swap. Bool. Bubble swap equals the true. Let me see what's I can't remember what's the Leetcode default. That will be the true. Okay, true. The all lowercase. Okay, true. Okay. We do here the bubble swap if that is true. So if greater than return I plus 1. If that's greater than that, we will do swipe. Yeah. So we will swap the rest of these two. Let me see. So we just swap here and here. We just move one and move. Okay, that's right. So even we swap address of I and I plus 1. We also compare I plus 1. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's the one. Once I got a whole loop and there's no swap happens, we break the bubble shoot. Okay. Yeah. I think for this one, I mean the output array, that's very suitable for the bubble sorting to compare the first items of each pair output, then swap the address. Okay, let me run the code again on the Leetcode, see how it's going. Same thing. Okay, run the first test case. Compile error in the line 1. That's because I paste tab. That doesn't matter. And run it again. Yeah, I got the right number. Let me see what we can do for that. It takes longer. Okay, even we failed on the same page. Yeah, that's not good. That still fail on that one. So yeah, probably even I don't do sorting on the original array, I do the sorting on the output. That's maybe much smaller than that. Let me print it out to see how much I failed in that case. Let me see. Return size equals I don't see output right here, so I just customer test case right here. Okay, and run the test code. Time exceeded also. Oh. Even in that case, hold on. Yeah, that's the one. I'm thinking as original, the first time the approach, I only do one time loop. This one I do the double for loop, and the time complexity is big O n factorial. So I don't even get that output. That means that part is already failed, or exceed the time limit. That's too slow to do the big O. Okay. Yeah, I think I failed on this approach to pass the time limited. So yeah, that's all for this approach. I got failed.